ladies, welcome to my channel. My name's Heather Anderson of So Heather, and today I'm here to talk about jeans. Oh my gosh, I love denim. I have loved denim since I was a little girl. I wear them all the time. I wear them dressy, I wear them casual. So I'm going to talk about 7 ways, or I'm going to give you 7 style tips on how to dress up your denim so that even if you're going to a dressy event, like an evening cocktail party or, a nice dinner out with your girlfriends or your husband or your boyfriend, you can certainly still wear jeans and you can look classy, you can look elegant, you can look sophisticated, and even a bit edgy. So if you don't already subscribe to my channel, I hope that you would do so by just clicking that little subscribe button down below. I actually publish 2 new videos every single week. So that you don't miss a video, I hope that you would also hit that little bell notification button. And just to let you know, I did start my channel about 9 months ago for the sole purpose to help women just like you look and feel amazing. Because I believe if you look good and you feel good, you will exude confidence, and confidence will get you anywhere you want to go. So let's dive into the 7 style tips to dress up your denim. And be sure and listen to this entire video because the last tip is actually my personal favorite tip, and one that I do almost every single day because that's what makes me feel most confident. All right, tip number 1 is to wear a neck stack. So I have on a neck stack today. I love layering little dainty necklaces. So this one here is by Marla Aaron. It has a little lock on it. I love that it's gold and silver. So I just always wear it, kind of at the top. And then these 2 are by Adina. I can't remember her last name, but I will link these as well. They're available at Shopbop. And then this one is also just pretty because it's gold and silver and a little bit of, it's got this really cool black chain. So I'll try and find this one for you too, for you ladies as well. I'm also going to link some other necklaces that are very budget friendly. So know this also, ladies. No matter what your budget, I think you should be able to shop on my channel. So if there's anything that I talk about that's a little bit on the expensive side, I will always, always, always link a steal version. So I think just adding a couple necklaces or one statement necklace when you're wearing denim is just an easy and simple way to elevate any look. It's going to dress up your denim easy, easy, easy in an effortless way. I always wear a neck stack every morning when I get up. It's an easy way for me to kind of step up my style game without having to think about it too much, especially if you just find a few of your favorite necklaces and wear the same ones every day. I think that makes it even more simple, which is kind of what we're going for. These are just easy, simple style tips, but they do make a difference. So that was tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to always wear a belt. So I feel like when I get dressed in the mornings, my looks just aren't complete unless I wear a belt. So that's definitely going to dress up your denim. When you put a belt on, you're just going to look more polished, you're going to look more sophisticated, and you're going to look more put together. So I want to talk about 3 belts. The first belt is this Gucci belt. I have it in black, or I have it in gold and silver, because I love it so much. The silver one is actually a men's belt, but don't let that scare you. It's still incredibly chic and you would never know it. I love the buckle. It's kind of got this gunmetal color to it, which is a bit edgy, but it's also very, classy and sophisticated at the same time. So I wear this belt a ton. You've probably seen it on my blog and on my YouTube channel, probably hundreds of times because I literally wear it, probably a couple times a week. And then recently I found the gold version of this belt, but it's actually the woman's version, so it is a little bit thinner, which I do like. And I love the antique gold buckle because I love wearing gold, that antique gold color. I think it's very beautiful, and it's a little more subdued than like a bright gold buckle. So that's why I really loved this antique gold belt. But I wear this one a ton with lots of different looks as well. So I feel like anytime you put on a belt, you're just guaranteed to dress up your jeans. So the third belt I want to talk about is this beautiful rhinestone belt. This is by Girlfriend Denim. It's available on Revolve. I'll be sure and link it for you ladies, but if it does sell out, there's another one by, I think, Below the Belt that's incredibly chic. It looks almost identical to this rhinestone belt, and I think it's just such a cool belt to dress up any look. I went with an all-white ensemble when I wore this belt to really make the belt stand out. The white blazer that I'm wearing in this look is phenomenal. It's under $100. It's super soft. It's like sweatshirt material. So it would be great to travel with. Like this blazer I'm obsessed with. I think I'm going to do a video styling it 5 different ways, so stay tuned for that. But as you can see, this all white look just looks more dressy because I added this gorgeous rhinestone belt. So adding a belt will no doubt dress up your denim. All right, style tip number 3 is carry a quality handbag. So I've said this a ton on my channel, but there's a couple things you should invest in. One of those is a handbag, and the other one are shoes. So when you carry a quality handbag, that doesn't mean it has to be a designer handbag. Even a good quality handbag like a Rebecca Minkoff handbag can really elevate any look when you're wearing jeans. If you have a quality handbag, a nice handbag by your side that you're carrying, you're just going to elevate that look. You're definitely going to make those jeans look dressier. So again, I just got this beautiful taupe Rebecca Minkoff handbag. I love this beautiful neutral shade because it literally goes with everything. And then I love the gunmetal hardware. I think it edges it up a little bit, but it still looks very chic and very sophisticated. So if you don't already have a quality handbag, ladies, you definitely need one. If you do want to go the designer handbag route, I definitely think that is a good idea because like I said, I do believe in investing in a good quality handbag. If you want to try and save money on designer handbags, you can always shop on The RealReal. I have bought and sold many bags on The RealReal, so highly recommend that. I will link that below as well. If you're not sure which designer handbag you would like to get, I actually did a video of the best designer handbags of 2019, as well as a Chanel unboxing video in 2020. So I will link both of those videos below in case you're wondering like, which designer handbag should I get? Because there are a ton out there. And my recommendation in one simple sentence is get one that is in a neutral color that will match everything, so you will be sure and get your cost per wear out of it. Okay, that was tip number 3. Tip number 4, and this is one of my favorite ones as well, and something I do every single day almost, is always add a 3rd layer, aka a jacket. Whether that is a leather jacket, whether that's a blazer, whether that's a faux fur jacket. When you add a jacket on with just a simple pair of jeans and a cami or a t-shirt, you just took that look up about 10 notches and it looks dressier, it looks more chic, it looks more polished and sophisticated, it looks more intentional. So I can't tell you how important it is if you want to dress up your jeans to add a jacket. So I'm going to talk about 2 looks right now, adding a jacket. One is a bit more conservative because it's a blazer. So if you're going to church, if you're going to like a business casual meeting, or something where you need to be a little bit more sophisticated and a little less edgy, I would say go for a blazer. So this faux leather black blazer is by Blink NYC. I think it's $148, so it's such a great deal. This blazer looks way more expensive than it really is. It also comes in a camel version, which I have featured on my YouTube channel and on my blog before, so I will link both of these gorgeous colors below. But this is just a staple. It's a versatile, timeless staple that you'll have in your closet for many years. Again, because it's faux leather, I think it just looks more, substantial than say a plain black blazer. Not to say I don't love plain black blazers. I own a couple and wear them a ton as well, but I just think this one being faux leather, it just adds a little bit of that extra touch to it, maybe a little bit of an edge to it. So if you didn't want to be as edgy, you could just certainly have do a regular black blazer, but I highly recommend this faux leather blazer by Blink NYC. And I paired it back with these mother jeans, which I'm going to talk about in a second. I did get these recently and I'm literally obsessed with them. I love the cuff at the bottom. They're like a mid to high rise. They're very slimming and I love this like vintage inspired wash. So the next look I want to talk about featuring a jacket is actually this rose pink leather jacket. This is from All Saints. I love this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous rose pink shade. I think it looks phenomenal on blondes especially, but also would look really beautiful on brunettes and redheads. This jacket I actually got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and it did sell out, but it has now been restocked in all sizes on All Saints. All Saints makes an impeccable real leather jacket for an amazing price, under $500, which is unheard of for a good real leather jacket. I have Ebro leather jackets that I'm obsessed with. You might have heard me talk about them before. This one fits as good as an Ebro leather jacket. The quality of leather is as good as an Ebro leather jacket. However, this is half the price. So this is a beautiful, beautiful leather jacket. You know, adding a leather jacket, which is something I wear a ton with my jeans, will definitely dress up your jeans in a more edgy way. So if you're going like on a date night or a girls' night out, or just maybe lunch with friends or something and you want to look a bit edgy, I would say add the leather jacket versus the blazer for that type of look if you're going for that type of look. But again, I highly recommend this beautiful All Saints rose pink leather jacket. I just love the color especially. It does run true to size. Also, ladies, know that I will put all of the sizing information down below as well, just to kind of give you guys a reference. And then I paired this jacket back with this beautiful lace cami, which I'm going to talk about in a second, and these slimming black jeans by Redone. I did also get these recently. They're high-waisted with a perfect ankle length. They're more of a skinny jean. I love the faded black wash. It makes them a little bit edgy. So highly recommend these jeans. And by the way, they're super comfortable. So love these. All right, style tip number 5 to dress up your denim is to cuff your jeans. I think cuffing your jeans does 2 things. Number 1, it's going to make your legs look longer, because when you cuff your jeans, depending on the length of them, it's going to make them just a little bit shorter, hitting you right above the ankle bone. And to me, that is the most flattering length that you can wear your jeans. So love cuffing the jeans. It also allows you to show off your heels. So, you know, obviously heels are a way to dress up your denim. So when you cuff your jeans, you're not only going to make your legs look longer and slimmer, but you're going to show off those amazing killer heels, which is, you know, no doubt an amazing way to dress up your denim. These mother jeans actually are shown on the model cuffed. I wear them cuffed every single time I wear them. You don't have to wear them cuffed. You could certainly uncuff them if you want, but I recommend cuffing them because it makes them a little bit more unique. And again, it makes them very flattering and certainly more dressy. I love the wash of these jeans. They're like a medium wash, so they're going to be great all year round. They're 100% cotton, so they don't have a ton of stretch to them, which means they're going to hold their shape really well, which I personally love. I would not travel in these jeans because they're, like I said, they're not that stretchy. So although they're not like crazy comfortable like a pair of stretchy jeans, they're still reasonably comfortable enough for me to wear and work in all day long. They do run like the model, as you can see, they're a little slouchier on the model. If you want them to fit on the slouchy side, I would say take your regular size or maybe size up one size. If you want them to fit like I have them, I'm wearing them, which is more on the fitted side, I would say size down one size. So that's what I decided to do because I love my jeans a little bit more fitted. So I sized down one size on these amazing mother jeans. All right, number 6 to look dressy in your jeans is to choose a dressy top. So whether that's a lace cami like I'm wearing here, whether that's a satin bodysuit, or just like a metallic blouse, like whatever you choose, you know, if you want to dress up your jeans, instead of choosing a simple black tee or white tee or, you know, t-shirt, go for something a bit dressier like a camisole, a bodysuit, or a satin top. So I almost always wear camisoles with my jeans and under my jackets. That's kind of my go-to signature style item. I'm a big fan of Cami NYC camis. I have a white one that I absolutely love that you can see in this video. I've had it for years. it still looks brand new, the same as it did the day I got it, because it's very high quality. So it is a bit on the pricey side. I think it's like $150 or $60. But again, it's lasted me 5 years. So when I go consider the cost per wear, it's well worth it. I have this cami in black and white, and I love it. Now, if this is out of your budget, no worries. Nordstrom makes a great dupe that I will link below for you ladies. So I do love this black one as well. This one is by Eero. I love that it's a little bit different than regular lace. I love the scalloping edges. This is just a beautiful camisole. I will also link it for you ladies below. Of course, I love bodysuits. I wear bodysuits a ton as well. I think they're extremely slimming. So whether you pick a cami, a bodysuit, or a satin top, just be mindful of what type of top you choose to wear with your denim, because if you want to dress it up, I would recommend, like I said, a camisole, a bodysuit, or a satin top. All right, the last tip, the one we've all been waiting for, my favorite tip, and one way to easily and effortlessly dress up your denim is to wear a pair of heels. I don't care if they are 2-inch kitten heels or 3-inch, just regular heels. It is a way better to wear heels with your denim if you want to dress them up than wearing a pair of flats or wearing a pair of sneakers. So, I just got these awesome black heels. They are by a really neat brand, and I'm sure I'm going to say it wrong, but I'm going to give it a shot. Vicenza, I think that's maybe how you say it. If not, I apologize if I offend anyone, but these are croc embossed. I love the pointy toe. They have a 3-inch heel, so they're extremely wearable, extremely comfortable. And because they are croc embossed, they look way more expensive than they really are. The pointy toe is actually going to elongate your legs, make you look taller, make you look slimmer. So I'm literally obsessed with these heels. I was so excited when I found them. And the best part, ladies, they are not crazy expensive. I think they're like $160. So that certainly isn't, inexpensive, but it certainly isn't like as expensive as, say, a designer pair of heels, or even Schutz heels run a little bit higher than these. So I'm so excited to share these heels with you ladies because I love them. I think they look amazing with denim. They're going to dress up your denim. They're also very wearable, like I said, because they're extremely comfortable. They also have a little bit of padding on the foot, which makes them even more comfortable. So highly, highly, highly recommend these heels. But again, if these are too high for you, even a 2-inch kitten heel or even a wedge will dress up your jeans much better than like a pair of flats would. So highly recommend wearing heels with your denim. It's a surefire way to dress them up. So I hope that you ladies enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. I always love hearing from you guys. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. For more style information, you can head over to sewheather.com. And on Instagram, I'm sewheatherblog. So thank you again so much for watching today. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.